Now, the once-arid Galana-Kulalu plains are the new frontier for commercial agriculture, with irrigation and renewable energy supporting year-round crop production. The transformation is part of a wider food security push aimed at turning thousands of acres of dry land into productive farms and reducing food imports.
Nyumba Agri Products Limited is among investors at the Galana-Kulalu Food Security Project under a public-private partnership targeting the development of about 300,000 acres for irrigation and commercial farming. The company's operations rely on water infrastructure network that draws water from the Galana River and water harvesting, storing it in reservoirs and earth dams before distributing it across cultivated fields. Solar-powered irrigation systems help overcome the challenge of operating in a remote area with limited access to electricity. Diesel generators provide additional power when needed, ensuring an uninterrupted water supply for crop production throughout the year.
Irrigation is the backbone of every farming project. It's the key points when it comes to farming. For us having multiple reservoirs and we have access to the irrigation water in the center pivots, it enables us to have a crop throughout the year in terms of maize, onions, as I have said.
Kimathi says integration of renewable energy and modern farming technology is helping unlock the potential of previously underutilized land while improving agricultural productivity.
Currently, we have 23 center pivots under cultivation, which is under irrigation. And we have 32 also. In total, we have 32 under pivot center pivots, 23 under cultivation, and in future we are planning to have 78 at the end of the year, which will be under irrigation and cultivation also.
Mradi ni mzuri juu maeneo haya wametegemea mradi na kila mmoja amefaulu ama amefaidi juu ya mradi. Mimi ningependa mradi uongezeke zaidi.
Maize, onions, cassava, soybeans and sisal are among the crops farmed here, even as investors step up value addition efforts.